Don't try to sell your home until you hear this. Sellers are walking away from easy money all the time, and I want to help you get the most money for your home and sell it quickly, even in a market like this. Hi, my name is Mike Anderson. I've been buying and selling properties for over 30 years, and I've helped others buy and sell their homes. I've purchased homes in Utah, Idaho, Texas, and Florida. I've done short-term rentals, long-term rentals, and flips, and I understand how to maximize a home's value. So whether you're trying to sell your own house or an investment property, I can help you get the most money for that home. There are 4 things that every house needs before it goes up on the market. Not big major things, just small things that every house needs, but it amazes me how many people overlook these 4 basic things. Once your house looks its best, then we do high resolution pictures, 3D tours, drone footage. We even do what we call a video home show, where we video showcase your home and then do an interview with a neighbor to talk about what's so great about living in that neighborhood. Because people don't just buy the house, they buy into the entire community. And getting the neighbors involved in this way has been an amazing way to advertise that property. Now, when we market the property with all of these great things, we don't just market it on the MLS and their affiliates. That only represents about 25% of the interest that we get. We market also using AI targeted marketing on social media, on Facebook and Instagram. And we spend hundreds to thousands of dollars targeting people that are specifically looking in your area where your home is, whether they're out of state or in the area or sometimes even out of the country, to drive up more interest in your property. And we invite them all to a grand open house, the grand opening of your home to the market. And we usually get between 50, 60, sometimes well over 100 people there to drive up price and to drive up urgency. This is the formula that we use to sell all of our own properties as well as the properties that we help our clients with. So give me a call, send me a DM, text me, whatever you want to do. Have me come over to your home, and myself and my team can help you understand how to maximize its value. Whether you're selling now or sometime in the near future, even if it's next year, have us come over and assess what you can do for your property. And I promise you, we will help you maximize its value because of the formula that we use. So I look forward to hearing from you. Get us started right away. Don't wait until you're right at the point where you want to sell. The sooner you meet with us, the more we can do to help you to maximize what you can make from your home. So I look forward to seeing you soon.